Salad kits promise you health in a bag. They show off fresh greens and bright veggies. But the truth? Many are hiding more junk than a fast food burger. You're buying sugar and bad oils, not real food. It's time to expose the biggest fakes hiding in your fridge right now. Let's be real, we've all been there. You're busy, you want to eat healthier, and that little bag of pre-chopped greens seems like the perfect answer. It's way easier than washing and chopping a bunch of different veggies yourself, right? That convenience is exactly why these kits are everywhere. The truth is, most are just a vehicle for sugary dressings and cheap, processed bits. So today, we're cutting through the noise. We're counting down the 8 worst salad kits you should never buy again. Then, we'll share 4 great options that are actually packed with real, good-for-you ingredients. Let's get into it. Number 1. Dole Chopped Salad Kits. Kicking off our list is one of the biggest, most common brands you'll find. Dole's kits are absolutely everywhere, but that convenience often comes at a nutritional cost. The problem here usually isn't the lettuce itself, it's everything else in the bag. The dressings are frequently loaded with sugar, sodium, and cheap oils, basically canceling out the health benefits. And those little crunchy toppings? They're often just fried, processed bits that add empty calories. It's a classic case where a good intention gets sabotaged by sugary, low-quality add-ins. Number 2. Taylor Farms Chopped Salad Kits. Now, these kits are incredibly popular, and you can see why. They promise a quick, easy way to get your greens in, and some of them even get praised for having a lot of flavor. But that convenience often hides the real problem. While the greens themselves are fine, you have zero control over the other stuff in the bag. The kits are rarely vegan and almost never use all whole food ingredients for the toppings or dressings. You're basically paying extra for a small bag of highly processed bits you could easily replace yourself. So while these kits might seem like a good deal, the next one on our list takes things a step further with some truly questionable ingredients. Number 3. Fresh Express Salad Kits. This is another huge name you'll see in pretty much every grocery store, promising a quick and easy meal. But this is a classic example of a health food that isn't really helping. The problem, once again, isn't the lettuce, it's everything else. You're basically paying a premium for a tiny packet of sugary dressing and some processed, crunchy toppings. It's the kind of salad that doesn't offer much real nutrition, becoming more of a lettuce and sugar trap than a healthy choice. But while these big brands are easy to spot, some store brands are even sneakier. The next one on our list might surprise you. Number 4. Market-Side Salad Kits. This is Walmart's in-house brand, and you might think you're getting a deal, but they often follow the same disappointing formula. The real problem isn't the greens, it's everything else. The dressings in these types of store-brand kits are often loaded with cheap oils, sugar, and salt. And those little packets of crunchy toppings are typically just processed bits that don't add any real nutritional value. You end up with a salad that's more of a convenient snack than a genuinely healthy meal. But while processed toppings are bad, our next brand has an even more surprising problem. Number 5. Ready-Packed Bistro Salad Bowls. These bowls promise a complete meal right in the container, but the real trap here is portion distortion. They look convenient, but they're often surprisingly small for the number of calories they pack in. You might see a bowl with chicken, bacon, and a creamy dressing that's well over 400 calories. The problem is, it's not a filling 400 calories. You're often left hungry an hour later because there's just not enough substance. It's a high-calorie snack disguised as a healthy lunch, and you're paying a premium for it. But if you think that's misleading, the next one on our list has some of the most questionable ingredients we've seen yet. Number 6. Kroger Salad Kits. As a major store brand, you might think Kroger offers a better, more affordable option. But in reality, they often fall into the exact same traps as the big names we've already covered. You'll find the same flimsy iceberg lettuce, the same tiny packets of processed toppings, and dressings that are basically just cheap soybean oil and sugar. It's the same unhealthy formula, just with Kroger's label on it. They're simply copying a bad system to offer a lower price. You're not saving money on a healthier salad. You're just buying a cheaper version of a bad one. But if you think that's lazy, wait until you see the ingredients hiding in our next pick. Number 7. Good and Gather Salad Kits. As Target's in-house brand, these kits look appealing, with tons of options and even some premium-sounding ingredients like real avocado. But it's a total mixed bag. The real problem is often hiding in the dressing. One reviewer said the Asian-style kit's dressing was basically just cheap soybean oil and sugar, a corn syrupy mess. Other toppings, like the crispy cucumbers, were found to be greasy and oil-logged. The bag itself even suggests adding more ingredients to make it a full meal, which tells you everything you need to know. But while these kits are simply incomplete, our final salad to avoid is pretending to be something it's not. Number 8. Great Value Salad Kits. And our final salad kit to avoid is from Walmart's own budget brand, Great Value. With these, you get exactly what you pay for. They're the perfect example of a salad that's just pretending to be healthy. The dressings are often nothing more than cheap soybean oil and sugar, and those little crunchy toppings are usually just processed bits that add empty calories. You're not really buying a healthy meal. You're just buying a bag of lettuce with some candy-like dressing. Okay, that's our list of the big 8 to skip. But don't worry, now we're getting to the good stuff. Number 9. Earthbound Farm Organic Salad Kits. Kicking off our good list, we have Earthbound Farm. The big deal here is right in the name, organic. This means the greens are grown without a bunch of synthetic pesticides, giving you a cleaner base to start with. But the real win is what's in the packets. Instead of sugary dressings loaded with cheap soybean oil, you'll often find simpler vinaigrettes. And the toppings are actual whole foods. Think roasted sunflower seeds or dried cranberries, not fried, processed bits. It's a simple, reliable choice for a genuinely healthy salad. But our next pick gets even more creative with its ingredients. Number 10. Little Leaf Farm Salad Kits. This brand takes freshness to a whole new level. They grow all their lettuce in state-of-the-art greenhouses, which means no pesticides and a perfectly crisp texture every single time. Their whole model is based on speed, getting greens from their farm to your store in about a day. When it comes to their kits, that amazing lettuce is the star. The dressings are light, and the toppings are simple, quality ingredients. You're not getting a bag of sugar, you're getting a genuinely fresh salad. But while this brand perfects simplicity, our next one is all about bold, unique flavors. Number 11. Organic Girl Salad Kits. If you're getting bored with the same old salads, Organic Girl is where you should look. This brand is all about creative, unique flavor combinations that feel like they came from a restaurant. We're talking about options like lemon agave or white cheddar, way more interesting than a basic garden salad. And the best part? Everything in the bag is 100% certified organic. The greens are top-notch, and the toppings are actual whole foods like toasted quinoa, pepitas, and real cheese. There are no cheap, fried mystery bits in sight. But while Organic Girl is an amazing choice, our final pick takes clean eating to a whole new level. Number 12. Gotham Greens Fresh Salad Kits. This brand isn't just selling salad. It's selling a whole new level of freshness. Gotham Greens grows all their lettuce in massive, high-tech greenhouses, often located right in the middle of major cities. This means your salad isn't spending a week on a truck to get to you. It can go from harvest to the grocery store in a single day. The dressings and toppings are just as clean and simple, designed to highlight that amazing, just-picked flavor. It's the closest you can get to having your own garden, without any of the work. We've seen how easy it is to fall for the promise of health in a bag, only to find it packed with sugar and bad oils. But now you know the truth. Some kits are sneaky lettuce and sugar traps, while others offer genuinely fresh ingredients.